Hi, my name is João Batalha. I'm a pastry chef and owner of Pastelaria Batalha, bakery based in Lisbon. Celebration time in Portugal means eating and drinking well. At Christmas time over here, we focus a lot on desserts. Traditionally, families have a full table dedicated just to sweets specialities that are usually only found during this time of the year. We enjoy a variety of sugary goods with lots of cinnamon and the one cake that cannot be missed, Bolo Rei. This fluffy cake with brioche type of dough is enriched with nuts and candied fruits. In this course, I will demystify the process of making Bolo Rei at home, understanding the best ingredients, kneading the dough, decorating and adapting the recipe to make Bolo Rainha. If you don't have any experience in the kitchen, it's fine. I'll teach you how to make it in a simple way, step by step, so you can have a Christmas like royals. Delicious.